So we're in downtown Manila, Philippines. We're just walking here. That was too quick, too close. Hey, walk faster, mama. Whoa. Look at that boy. The real G. Hey. We need to take this car. We need to take this. That guy was seeing what I'm doing, you know? Hey, how do we call those cars?
Jeepney. Jeepney.
Jeepney. It's like Jeep, the car Jeep, but with me. Manila, Philippines. You see how things change? That place and this place here. Just because of the river, things change so easy.
Oh. Yeah.
You see? You see the other side of the river? And just see here. Yeah. I always feel like rivers kinda separates the rich and the poor, you know? And I think here are a lot of gangsters, you see? Like those boys over there. And they put me on the spot because they can see me from a distance. But I think they know I'm gangster too, because when they see me with a beautiful girl, they be like, that girl must have followed that gangster boy. Yo, what's up, man? Yeah, you see, they are saying hello to me. I always feel it's not easy for me to be robbed, even if I go to very gangster areas, because people think I am what, man? Okay. So I always feel like it's not easy for me to be robbed, even if I go to gangster places. Because I feel like they want to bring me into their group. Like, be our group, be our gang member. Yeah, you'll be the baddest. Hey, what's happening here? I don't know what's happened. There were too many motorbikes at the same time. What's that? Let me just leave it chill there, man. It's at its spot. Whoa! Right here we have. What a look! Yeah. 7-Eleven. You want water?
What?
We can get the small one, you know. Or we just go. Small one is okay. As we watch this. Yeah. I have like 20. No, bro. No, bro. We don't give money. We don't give money, man. I take you to my home if you want to eat. No. I take you to my home, okay? Hey, let's come here. Whoa. Come here, I show you. I take you to my home. I will take one of you to my home. To my home. Oh, okay? And we'll never see you again. Come here. I just told them I'm gonna take them to I'll take you to my home. Come here. When I touch you, you'll have to say goodbye to your friends. I take you to Africa. Hey, come. I just told them I'm gonna take them to Africa. They just disappeared, man. Yeah. I told those kids I'll take them to Africa. And they ran away. Yeah. So these cars are called Jimny. And you see it's a Mercedes Benz. It has a logo right there. They're very strong and very popular here in Manila, Philippines. So we're just walking here and getting lost. You know, I told those babies I want to take them to Africa and they ran away. I just told them I want to take you to my home in Africa. Whoa, 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 they just disappeared. So that's how it is, man, here. Even the real streets boys don't have B, man. Just be careful, mom. Wow, man, sad dog. Hey, bro. It's kind of sad, you know. Wow. You see that cat over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just chilling. Yeah. Yeah. It's like this is one of its cool place, and we have Maria also here. So you have to be very careful. Oh, there's a dog right there. No, man. Real streets. Yeah. You should be in front, mom. Wow, man, exploring Manila, Philippines. Real streets here, real time. It's like a garage right down here. You know? You have to be very careful, mom, with your bag, okay? We're in the real streets. Oh, there's like a river here. But this river, man, it has everything you can imagine. Yeah. I feel like most rivers in big cities are like that. Everywhere you go. Thailand, they have tried. There's one in Bangkok, it's clean. But other places I went to Phuket, oh yeah. Here people have a lot of Maria everywhere. There's another Maria in front there. You can see? Just be careful. Wow. How should we go? This looks like the hood, you know? You want us to go inside here? I think it can be dangerous for us to go there.
Yeah.
Especially if we keep going away from this road.
Like we are going to
To hood.
another
Hood. Yeah. So I think we need to look for Grab. Let's go to a place like petrol station and call for Grab. Rising sun. You have to be careful here, man. Woo. I just told you you have to be careful, man, but just walk here. Hey, man. Bakasi Avenue. What are you? Not here where we live, guys. Let's go here. Yo, what's up, man?
Hey.
Good, good, bro.
Hey.
Real deal. Yeah, man. I'm the real deal in the streets. I think we are in areas we are not supposed to be.
Yeah.
Let's go up. Oh, it looks more dangerous.
Yes.
Let's go, man. Even that cat knows we are not from here. This cat knows we are not from here. It has blue eyes, you see?
She's pregnant.
Oh, she's pregnant? Oh, wow. Let's go. Wow. To be honest, I'm not sure where we are going now. If this is a good idea. No, I think we are going back to the other side. So let's go. Remember the last time we walked in the real hood and we didn't see problems, man. Yeah. You know, now everybody's looking at us. Look, that boy in front of us, he just saw me and started dancing. You see, he has a black t-shirt.
Oh.
Yeah. He just saw me and started dancing like, oh. Let's see what he'll do. Now here,
Yeah.
I don't even know where we are going, man. Look, he came to say hello. We go how? Straight? Yo, what's up, man?
What's up?
What's your name?
Vincent. Shello.
And you?
Shello.
Shello. Hey, man, you look so gangster, man.
Yeah. I'm Rusher.
You Russian?
Rusher.
Oh, okay, man. I don't know if we should go up. We could still go. Okay, Russian, bye-bye, man. Okay. You see how he's doing, like, yeah. Like, he knows I'm the real gangster here. Oh, man, look, the whole village came now. Let's go up. We shall go up.
Emergency evacuation.
Evacuation route. Wow, man. Oh, you're actually in the hood now. Hello, sir.
Hey man, what's up?
Good, what's up?
Vibe. Yo. Hey, so.
Yo, what's your name?
I'm Brian.
Okay, man. Here, real streets. Everyone just wanna have a touch of me, man. Hello, what's up? Yeah. Just chill. Wow. Man, I feel like we're just in the middle of nowhere, which is not our territory. Boy, what do you feel, man?
We lost.
Boy,
I was lost in the
In
some
the hood.
headlights.
yeah, all the time, man. But I feel like when they see me, they kind of want me to be part of their group. Yeah, what's up, man?
No,
You know-
don't cry. No, don't cry. He just sing.
That guy just saw me and started singing like, no, woman, no cry.
Oh, maybe Bob Marley.
But Bob Marley, yeah.
He's very famous here.
Yeah, super. Hey, what's up, man? Oh, killed them now. I just killed them. Hey, my friend, this is tricky situation. No, man, no, bro, no. Chill, man, chill. Babe, how should we go? That way, right? Let's go that way. We leave this way.
Okay.
Or you want us to go up?
Anywhere.
Oh, that guy came to see me now. So we're just walking in the streets here, man, real streets. And some kid just came to confirm actually who I was. And everybody feels I'm like really gangster here, and we still roll with the vibe, you know. Hey, what's up? Good? Okay. I love kids because they don't hide the feeling, you know. They actually show it. All people like kinda look at you differently, but the kids don't hide it, you know. Yeah. So we're walking in the streets here. We're actually lost the way you see us. I feel this gives us the same feeling as the hood we went near our home.
Yes.
Hey. I think anytime my battery will be falling down. I want to say thank you so much for watching this video, man. We really appreciate, and thanks a lot for Philippines for giving us this. Yeah, thank you guys, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
All I need is you, baby.